Hello students, today we are talking about some common mistakes students make when planning or applying for their Australian study visa. Not providing all required documents or submitting incorrect information can lead you to visa rejection. It's important to carefully review all the visa application requirements and necessary to provide all documents. Ensure you have enough funds to cover your tuition fees, living costs and other expenses. It's crucial. You need a realistic plan and proof of sufficient funds. Meeting English proficiency requirement test is also important. Many Australian institutes required IELTS, PT and TOEFL. If you are not clear this test, then you have a chances of refusal. Express a genuine intention to study temporarily is key. If visa officer thinks you want to stay permanently, then your visa may be refused. Choosing a suitable program and institutions are vital. Research and select a program that aligns with your academic background and career goal. Writing a clear SOP is critical. A poorly written SOP lead to be visa refusal. Finally, missing visa deadlines can reason be your delays or refusals. Start the visa process early and allow some time to process your application. Remember, a well-prepared application is a key to unlocking the door of opportunities in Australia. Thank you so much.